Hey guys, this is Amma from Referals4u and of course you're perfect. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the MI earphones which I bought it from MI showroom directly, which is situated at Hyderabad actually. And so this was a good nice packaging which I got. In that I got the earphones. So let me open it. And so this is a box of MI earphones, that is which I purchased it for Rs.699. And so let me keep it apart, and in the cover I got some MI home, that's all, and a bill which is valid for 6 months. So the tax invoice is of 699. And not only unboxing this earphones actually, so let me keep this apart. And not only unboxing this earphones, I want to test it with this earphones, and which is a normal local made which I bought it for ₹100. And of course the MI basic earphones which I had earlier, but as you seen, like it was broken here, so like I was not interested to use it anymore. But the sound is good, it's coming fine, but just the plastic part has broken here, so I thought to purchase this earphones. So however I want to unbox it in front of you people. And so I want to compare the sound clarity with this. And yeah, so this was earphones. We had earphones design over here present, and MI earphones was written on top. We have nothing, and on the bottom we have some like a principal communications, some made in China, especially this is made in China actually. And on back side you don't have anything like we have some prices. No, there is no price. Yeah, we have price of MRPs of ₹999, but it's not like that. And it weighs around 14 grams, and it has sound around 32 ohms, and it has 3.5 mm jack, and cable length is of 1.25 meters. Rate power is of 5 millivolts. Okay, so let me peel this off actually so that it will open it. So, and this is a way you can get the earphones. So like this, so you got a couple of, oh god, yeah, so this is the earphones which you got it. And let me check what inside is this. And so we got, like, this is a earphones, and this is a earphones guide. What we'll be having of earphones guide actually, some right and left. Yeah, we have volume buttons, and incoming calls, press once, press and hold to decline calls, mute and hold, music volume, play up and down, and that's all. And yeah, we got an extra earbuds, that is interesting actually, so you can check here inside of it. I don't want to remove it because it is useful later on. So like we got an extra earbuds, that is good actually with this. And so that's all, nothing else in the box. And that's all. Let me keep this apart. So we have directly the earphones with me, which is present over here. And so yeah, so this is earphones. Let me peel this off actually, which is not even worthwhile. So we got earphones, and which are in black in color, and that's all. So here we had the volume rock buttons, up and down, and answer call, hold key button. And these are the earphones which are good. And so here we got the thread present over here. And so the difference between this and this is, like we got here some gold color tips, and here we got the silver color one, that's all. And yeah, this is the rubberized wire is of rubberized, and here we got the thread, and this looks some fat, and whereas this looks very thin and lean. And I hope this prevents you from like getting rid of this all things. But whereas coming towards here, it's rubber again, and this is also a rubber. I feel that build quality of this is good when compared with that. And of course the price matters here. And this is the left one, and this is a right. This is a right, and this is a left. So let me keep it a part of it. And so like it will be like this the end of the day. So like it will be like this, that's all. And so this is the earphones. So these are the earphones which we use somehow. So let me, without any delay, let me compare sound clarity which I was like waiting for it. So I have my old e.t.c phone. Let me open it off and let me play any like good music which comes. I'll be keeping this at mic and you people just check the quality of it. Okay. So this was the clarity of this earphone, and when compared with this, I want to keep it here, and now we are listening in my basic earphones. So this was the sound of this one, and now let me make you hear this one. So this is one type, and let me again compare it with this for your more sound, like more clarity. So guys, this is a comparison. I think what I felt personally is that this like a local made or China mall which is available for 100 or 150 is better than this, of course, but when compared with this both, I think the build quality of this earphones is good when compared with this, but a bit sound clarity is also good over here. That's all. And yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or any queries, please mention in the comment section. I'll be replying as soon as possible, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. And this is Amar signing off for the day. Thanks guys.